In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group drawings using Object Tree in Tradingview. If you work with a lot of lines, shapes, or annotations, grouping them will keep your chart clean and make it much faster to manage everything at once. We'll walk through opening the Object Tree, selecting the items you want, creating a group, and then managing that group efficiently. Start by opening the Object Tree. You can find its icon at the top right of the sidebar in Tradingview. If you don't see it or prefer a quick access method, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and select Object Tree from the menu. This panel lists every drawing and indicator on your chart, so it's the ideal place to organize them. In the Object Tree, hold Control on Windows or CMD on Mac and click each item you want to include. You'll see them highlight as you select. If your items are listed one after another, you can speed this up by clicking the first item, holding Shift, and then clicking the last one to select the entire range. Make sure everything you want is highlighted before moving on. With your item selected, right-click on any one of them and choose Create Group. Tradingview will place those drawings into a new folder right inside the Object Tree. This folder is your group, and it lets you control those items together without touching each one individually. Now, manage the group to fit your workflow. To rename it, right-click the new folder and choose Rename. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll know what's inside at a glance. To quickly hide or show everything in the group, click the eye icon next to the folder. This is perfect when you are testing different chart layouts or want a clean view. If you don't want to accidentally move or edit anything in the group, click the lock icon to lock the entire set. Click it again to unlock when you are ready to make changes. If you create new drawings later and want them in the same group, just drag and drop them into the folder inside the Object Tree. They'll instantly adopt the group's visibility and lock settings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.